OSHA does not have specific regulations against the use of American state Slidelink terminal blocks. The OSHA website does not contain such a restriction. Fingersafe certification is a voluntary standard. It indicates that a product meets certain safety requirements to prevent electrical shock. Terminal blocks that are not Fingersafe may expose users to live electrical parts. This can potentially lead to injury. Suppliers of American state Slidelink terminal blocks indicate that they are not aware of any issues with the safety or approval of these products. While OSHA does not specifically prohibit the use of non-Fingersafe terminal blocks, industry best practices recommend using Fingersafe products whenever possible. This helps minimize the risk of electrical shock and enhances worker safety. Based on the available information and industry best practices, it is recommended to firstly, use Fingersafe terminal blocks whenever feasible. Secondly, if non-Fingersafe terminal blocks must be used, take appropriate precautions to prevent contact with live electrical parts. And thirdly, ensure that all electrical installations comply with OSHA regulations and industry standards. Here is a summary of key aspects regarding terminal blocks, Fingersafe designs, and relevant safety standards. Terminal blocks are fundamental components in electrical systems, serving as connection points for wires and cables. They facilitate organized and secure electrical connections, ensuring efficient power distribution and signal transmission. The design and construction of terminal blocks are critical for maintaining electrical safety and preventing hazards such as short circuits and electrical shocks. Fingersafe terminal blocks represent an advanced safety feature in electrical connection technology. These terminal blocks are designed with insulated housings or barriers that prevent accidental contact with live electrical parts. This design significantly reduces the risk of electrical shock during installation, maintenance, and operation. The importance of Fingersafe designs cannot be overstated, especially in environments where personnel may come into close proximity with electrical connections. The primary advantage of Fingersafe terminal blocks is the enhanced safety they provide. By minimizing the risk of accidental contact with live conductors, Fingersafe designs protect workers and prevent potential injuries. These terminal blocks are particularly valuable in industrial settings, commercial buildings, and other environments where electrical safety is a paramount concern. Moreover, Fingersafe terminal blocks help ensure compliance with safety regulations and standards, reducing the likelihood of workplace accidents and associated liabilities. Several standards and certifications govern the safety and performance of terminal blocks. These include standards from organizations such as OSHA, the National Electrical Code, NEC, and Underwriters Laboratories, all. OSHA sets standards for workplace safety, including requirements for electrical safety and the use of appropriate safety equipment. The NEC provides comprehensive guidelines for electrical installations, including the selection and installation of terminal blocks. UL offers certifications for terminal blocks that meet specific safety and performance requirements, such as the UL Fingersafe standard. Compliance with these standards and certifications is essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. Choosing the right terminal blocks for a specific application involves several considerations. Firstly, the current and voltage ratings of the terminal block must be appropriate for the intended electrical load. Secondly, the environmental conditions such as temperature, humidity, and exposure to chemicals should be considered when selecting terminal blocks. Thirdly, the ease of installation and maintenance is an important factor, especially in applications where frequent changes or repairs may be necessary. Finally, the safety features of the terminal block, such as Fingersafe designs, should be evaluated to minimize the risk of electrical hazards. Proper installation practices are critical for ensuring the safety and reliability of terminal block connections. Firstly, all electrical work should be performed by qualified personnel who are trained in electrical safety procedures. Secondly, power should be disconnected before installing or maintaining terminal blocks. Thirdly, wires should be properly stripped and terminated to ensure secure and reliable connections. Fourthly, terminal blocks should be mounted in accordance with manufacturer's instructions and relevant safety standards. Finally, regular inspections and maintenance should be performed to identify and address any potential issues such as loose connections or damaged components. In summary, understanding the features, benefits, and standards associated with Fingersafe terminal blocks is essential for maintaining electrical safety in various applications. By choosing and installing terminal blocks that meet safety requirements and following proper installation practices, you can minimize the risk of electrical hazards and ensure the reliable operation of electrical systems. The OSHA electrical safety standards can be found at OSHA. gov/laws/reg/regulations/standard number /1910/1910.303. The National Electrical Code (NEC) information is available at nfpa.org/nec, and the UL Fingersafe standard is at Standards Catalog. All com/standards/n/standard 85711